Start with a powerful question. Why do some people achieve greatness while others, with the same abilities, stay ordinary? Talk about how everything starts with one small seed, belief. Give everyday relatable examples. Student who believes he can pass versus student who doubts. Businessman who believes in his idea versus one who fears risk. Wright brothers' story. Belief turned impossible into reality. Thomas Edison's failures redefining failure. Add another story. Nelson Mandela. Imprisoned for 27 years but believed in freedom. That belief changed an entire nation. Transition. Belief is not just personal. Belief can transform societies. Explain how most people fail before even starting. Because they don't believe. Use metaphors. Doubt is like invisible chains, fear is like a shadow. Examples. Students afraid of exams. People afraid to start businesses. People afraid to speak in public. Explain. The greatest prison is not outside, it's in your mind. Deeply explain. Your thoughts shape your destiny. Words are seeds, what you say grows. Share modern science example, psychology. Proves affirmations and self-talk affect performance. Real-life example. Athletes use "I can win" affirmations before matches. Einstein's childhood failures and how teachers underestimated him. How he believed in his ability to think differently. Transition. The world remembers geniuses, but geniuses are born from belief. Add another example. J.K. Rowling, author of Harry Potter. Rejected 12 times. But belief in her story made her one of the best-selling authors ever. 3 steps: belief, action, consistency. Expand each one in detail. Give small practical tips. Belief, use daily affirmations. Action, start small, don't wait for perfect moment. Consistency, daily discipline builds habits. Examples. Student who studies 30 minutes. Daily achieves more than student who studies 10 hours once. Athlete who trains daily outperforms natural talent without discipline. Wrap up with emotional message. You were not born to be average. You were born to inspire. Give audience practical takeaway. From today, start believing, take one small action, and repeat daily. Final affirmation. I believe in myself. I believe in my dreams. I believe in my future. Call to action. Invite them to subscribe, join journey, and continue learning.